So I wanted to give some basic explanation of the system. So the system is an ancient set of teachings, philosophical teachings and psychological teachings that help us to get a better understanding of ourselves, the world we're living in, where our problems come from, how we can solve those problems, and so forth. Um, so I want to start off with this basic 4 points, and all of the rest of the teachings can all be organized in these basic 4 points. So to help you to understand these, I'll just define them and describe them here. So, first of all, problems. Um, the second is the um, accumulation of those problems or origins of those problems. The third is freedom from those problems. And the fourth is the path to attaining that freedom. So, these four are called the Four Truths, or sometimes the Four Noble Truths. And to understand how they work together, basically, these are to be abandoned. These first two problems and the sources of these problems, so the way we accumulate problems, are to be abandoned. And but these third and fourth ones are to be attained. So that's the idea. So you want to abandon problems, and you want to abandon the origins of problems, but you want to attain freedom. And to do that, you need to practice the path. So there's another way of looking at these, which is that these problems and freedom are basically both on the side of the results, and these origins and paths are both on the side of causes. It's a little bit imprecise, but roughly speaking, the results that we're experiencing right now are often problems. And so I'll color these guys a little bit red here, get a sense there's something bad going on here. And this freedom and path, I'll color these blue so you get some sense. It's like, this is like burning, these two. Let's see if I make it bright red here, like burning. And then these two are like cooling down. So like the ocean. So we need to abandon problems and their origins. We need to attain freedoms and paths. The problems are the results that emerge from the cause of these accumulations or origins. Freedom is the result that will emerge from the cause of following this path. And so everything else that we'll look at will explain in within that overarching system.